There, how to install Teleblock app. This is one of the popular call manager and spam blocker apps. You know, when you're receiving a lot of these robocalls, this is kind of a new trending app in this category where you can block calls or identify calls. And then you also can have unlimited blacklist. And then, yeah, so just like that's the app. Just open it up. And then just tap start. And then what you have here, you have 3-day free trials and $39.99 per month if you want to have unlimited blacklist. It's pretty expensive, $40 per month, but as you know, these robocalls can get so annoying. But anyhow, you can just tap block calls, open settings, open phone, open call block and notification, enable Teleblock. So here, and then you can just tap Teleblock. So that's how you do it. And then, yeah, then you will just be able to use the app to block calls. You can also use the app to identify calls. Then there is my list, where you can add people like with the number, like, you know, this specific number is calling and selling you some, you know, insurance, whatever. You can just add it here. Then there are settings which you can add here. There is always an option to reach out to their support if you want to. So there you have it.